my name is Martin from MB Fire and Security. We are undertaking the installation of an L3 fire alarm system. At the tail end of last year, we were invited out to survey, quote, design and install fire alarms that suited the client's requirements due to a fire risk assessment being conducted. Following on from the fire risk assessment conducted by the client and their team, we identified many non-conformities within the system. Those included the system being dated somewhere about between the 1970s and 80s, devices being installed at levels severely below ceiling height, and some cable clipping not being done correctly. Following on from our initial site survey, we proposed a category L3 fire alarm system to the client. The client then liaised with their insurance provider in order to get an approval on the category. Our scope of works included the installation of brand new cabling, automatic fire detection and manual call points at all exits to the premises. The previous system would then be removed entirely as this is connected to an adjoining property which is a separate business.
Previous installation was horrendous. It dated back to the 1970s. The building we're in used to be part of a factory that went all the way to the bottom of the road. So my fire alarm panel was actually in next door's building, and if we set off the alarm, everybody in the building was chased out. I've found the installation process very smooth sailing since the guys turned up. They seem to have known exactly what they were doing. They've got on with it and they've just left me to get on running the business. Couldn't ask for more. So I've been impressed by MB Fire and Security, and off the back of this I've already asked Martin to quote for further work.